Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install .NET framework on Ubuntu or Linux and how to setting up Visual Studio Code for .NET development in Ubuntu or Linux. Let's get started by opening your favorite web browser and browse this URL. Here you will see Microsoft and Canonical announces native .NET availability in Ubuntu 22.04 LTS hosts and containers. So now we can quickly install a bundle with both the SDK and runtime with this command, or we can install the dependencies we need to develop or run using these three commands. But I am going to install .NET version 7 by following its official documentation. So browse this URL and from here you will see the supported distributions. Ubuntu 22.04 LTS supports .NET Framework version 7 and 6 only. Now I am going to install .NET 7. For installing .NET 7 with apt, we need to open a terminal and run the following command. So copy this command and open new terminal and paste this command here. Now enter the password for your administrative user account. And then I'm going to install SDK. So copy this command and install .NET SDK 7. It may take a while for installing .NET SDK. This command will install ASP.NET Core Runtime and .NET Runtime also. But we can install using the separate command. So copy this command and paste here. Okay, now I am going to verify the installation. Write this command on terminal .NET hyphen hyphen version. Here you will see the installed version of .NET framework. Now I'm going to create and configure ASP.NET Core Web Application in Linux. We can use the .NET CLI to create our first web application by using the following commands. So copy this command and I'm going to create a directory on desktop where I will create a directory to store my application. And then navigate to the directory by cd. Okay, now paste this command here. Here this is the core command, and then enter the template name here and then project name and output directory. I'm going to create ASP.NET Core Web Application, MVC application. So if you want to create this application, write MVC here and then enter the project name here. My case, my first ASP MVC app. You can skip this portion of command. Now hit enter. Now navigate to this project root directory by cd. Now ensure that you already have installed Visual Studio Code on your system and then follow its official documentation for setting up Visual Studio Code for .NET development. I already have installed Visual Studio Code on my machine, so I'm going to open this project with Visual Studio Code. Write this command. Okay, now open Home Controllers file and then I'm going to install .NET extension pack. It may take a while for installing .NET extension pack. This pack is the ultimate collection of extensions for working with .NET in Visual Studio Code. It contains 4 packages: Jupyter, C#, Ionite for F#, and Polyglot notebooks. Okay, here search for C# and you will see C# for Visual Studio Code has been installed successfully. To start the development server of this project using this command .NET run and then hit enter. Development server is running on this URL with the port number 5197. Now copy this URL and access the application from web browser. That's it. Now I'm going to update the welcome page. Restart the server, press Ctrl plus C and then start the development server again. Now reload and here you will see the changes. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.